So welcome everyone. It's October 8th and we are having a family yoga read along. And I'm so excited to have the author of I Am a Gift and I Have Many Gifts with us today. And Johana is a graduate of the Young Yoga Masters training. Yay! And she also has this wonderful book, and I won't go into it too much. Afterwards, I'm going to interview Joanna. But I was reading this summer this book about creating trauma-informed, strength-based classrooms. And this book just goes perfectly with that idea of creating a strengths-based classroom and helping children and parents and adults just see their gifts and focus on their gifts. And so I'm really, really grateful to have you here today. Thank you, Johanna, for being here.
Hi, everyone, and thank you so much for having me here. I am very, very excited. And just, I guess, even when they say nervous, but it's really like a mixture of excitement. I really feel really, really excited just to be here. And thank you, Aruna, for sharing and welcoming to this space. And so today we are going to do a read along of I Am a Gift and I Have Many Gifts, written by me, Johana Hernandez, and it was illustrated by Amberley Lewitt. And along with that, we're going to integrate little yoga poses, mini yoga poses that we can include with us and our children in the classroom. Okay. So if you want to join along and have the kids there, they can also do the yoga poses in the background and just like move their bodies and just get it warmed up for this beautiful morning. So here's I Am a Gift and I Have Many Gifts. Oh yeah, before we even begin, I wanted to share, there's one of the poses that we're gonna do today. So when we say gift, we're going to open our arms out wide like this. And then just first give yourself a hug, and here breathe in and breathe out. And then here we're just gonna just come into star pose because you're like shining bright like a gift. And then so along that, every time we say gift, we're gonna just hug, and it's like going like peekaboo, that you're a star. Okay? And then on long row, do more poses. Is it I am a gift and I have many gifts. So here, and here, show your gift. I am a gift and I have many gifts. Proverbs 18, verse 16. A gift opening the way and ushers the giver into the presence of the great. So here we're just gonna all wave hi. Hi, hi, my name is Joanna. I want to share something that I've discovered, and that is, ready? We're gonna close our arms. I have many gifts. So do you. So does everybody else, even you. Yes, you. We're all gifts. And we have and carry our gifts wherever we go. So here we can even, so here we're all gifts, and we have and carry our gifts wherever we go. So we're just gonna go like that. Hug yourself because you're a gift, and we're gonna open it here. We're gonna just share all our gifts wherever we go. This gift looks like this gift does not look like the gift you get on your birthday. So here, on your birthday, let's come to our backs and just blow candles. So here we're gonna come to our backs and then just breathe in, and then here, ready? And then we're gonna do 2 more, breathe in, and here, blow the candles. And let's do another one. Or on Christmas, or any of their other holidays. So notice like here, like we're gonna just go do a cat pose. Because you notice there's like a little pumpkin and Valentine's. And pumpkin's like the one here, is close to like harvest. So here we're gonna come to cat pose. And here, notice any other holiday. So you're gonna come to like a Halloween cat. And here, breathe in and breathe out. Here, we're gonna tuck the tail in, and you just pretend you're just going like a. And here's the best part. This gift is so much better than that. This gift is very special because it comes from you and you have it. And here's the best part. Ready? We're gonna give ourselves a hug. And you're gonna come out as you are the gift. This gift you have, you don't have to search for it in the water or in the mountains or in space. So we can even come to the water and do boat pose. So here you don't have to search for it through the water. And you can come to your mountain or in the mountains or in space. We can even do moon pose. This gift that you have has been with you since you were born. This gift that you have is inside of you. So we can bring our hands to our heart and just breathe in and breathe out. And here, notice that this gift is inside of you. This gift that you have is something that you love to do. And you're good at it too. You enjoy doing this special thing. And here, we can act it out. Ready? It can be dancing, painting, writing, building, telling jokes, ha 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 ha, cooking, listening. We can just helping, looking closely, telling stories, and much, much more. All of these are gifts. Which one is yours? The things we enjoy and love to do are our gifts. It is also called having a talent. The more we practice our talent and share the gifts we have, they become bigger and stronger and beautiful. But really, all the gifts are beautiful because they come from you. So here, let's just give ourselves a hug. And then here, let's just show off our gifts. And here, breathe out. The gift that I have and love to do, I'll keep doing, even if it's different from my friends or other kids. They have their gifts, and this is my gift. Ready? Show off your gift. Star pose. And every gift is unique, and all of it is great. If someone tells me that they think my gift is not good, I'll still keep it. I'll continue to share it even when it gets hard. So here, just continue keeping sharing your gift. That's when I know my gift is growing. I have to keep growing my gift and making it stronger and stronger. So here, let's do some muscles. Let's make it stronger and stronger. But here, let me tell you something. If someone tells you not to bother sharing your gift with others, pay no attention. As long as you love to do what you want to do, keep doing it because practice makes progress and it'll keep getting better because that is your gift. So ready? We're going to come to child's pose and we're going to make sure we're the gift. So here we're just going to bring our hips back. And here comes our little friend here. And then here we're going to just slowly curl up, and then come to our knees, come to cat pose. We're gonna lift those knees, bring our hips up, up, and then here we're gonna bring our knees back to downward facing dog. Here we're growing and growing. We're gonna bring our feet forward, and here slowly, we're gonna slowly come up. So we're growing slowly and slowly. And then here, ready? We're gonna bring our hands up. And then here, exhale, bring your hands out, feet out. And here, give yourself a hug. And then here, just shine yours, come back to star pose. Because here's let it grow. It's like, let it grow, let it grow. This gift is yours because it comes from you. And it doesn't matter if you live in an apartment or a house, or if you have few toys or no toys. You always have your gift. No one can take this gift away from you because it's yours to keep. It is yours. And the only way this gift can go away is if you decide to run away from it. Like, no, don't run away from it. So you're just, it's like, here, let's come to gift again to star pose. And then here, we're just going to because we are a gift and we have many gifts, and here we're just going to embrace our gift, which is ourselves and what we have. So ready? We're gonna do that when we hear hug your gift, okay? So go towards your gift, hug your gift, and keep using your imagination. Keep playing and keep doing what you love to do, and keep showing and sharing your gift. And guess what? Guess what? Soon you'll see that you don't have to find your gift because the gift is really you. So here, ready? We're going to come to mountain pose, and here comes to star pose, and here, ready? We're going to embrace our gift, and ready? We're going to spread our fingers out wide, and then here, hug you because you're a gift, and then hug all the gifts that are within you. Here, breathe in, and breathe out. And jump out. And here, give yourself a clap. So here's some of the questions that we can reflect and think about, or questions for discussion, even to share and journal, and we can share with one another. What are your gifts? What is one gift that you have that you love to do? And how can you make your gifts bigger and stronger? And how did you discover your special gift? And one of the things I love to share is always stay in touch with your inner child. Always play, always learn, always grow, and always use your imagination, because your imagination brings creation. Because we still have that kid in us. So here, thank you so much for welcoming in this space. And in a bit, we're going to reflect or journal or discuss, and what are some of the gifts that you love to do? And it can be many, many. And here, let's remember, it can be cooking, telling jokes, even like something that just came up and we're like, hey, I really like to tell jokes. So here, and just being honest and then just connecting that, because that is a gift. That is a gift. Everything is a gift.
Does anyone have any questions for Johana?
Hi. So in the book, does it show the different positions or poses to do, or no, you just kind of created them?
I created them. Like, it's a story, and it's like any, you can create whatever poses that you want with the book.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, in the kids yoga training, you'll see in one of the modules, we talk about storybooks and how you can, like here, I have like a Post-it note. So just
Okay,
adding your own post-it notes for where you could do poses. Um,
okay,
well, if you don't, you could just write in the book, but you may not want to.
okay.
Yeah.
So I've already went ahead and I see that you're on Amazon. So do you prefer that we purchase directly from you or through Amazon?
Let me share that too.
Because I would like to purchase your book. Okay,
So you can get it on Amazon.
yeah.
You can also get a signed copy like I have.
Ah, okay.
If you connect with Johana directly. Johana, do you have a preference?
Would no, like you can connect with me in my email if you like, or even send me a message on Instagram on there, and it's up to you. Like I can sign the copy if you want this to your niece or nephews or yourself or children. I can like just let me know what names, and I can just sign a copy, and then also write a beautiful message to you or anyone that you would like, and then I will like send it to your address. And if that's okay with you, there's like whatever address like you want me to send it to, that's where it would be delivered. And I'll keep in contact. I'll even share the tracking number. Like, of course, when I send it, like I'll share the tracking number, and you can track it. Like where's my package or where's the book? It just depends. Like, how would you want it? Like Amazon, or you can get it directly from me, and I'll mail it to you.
Okay, thank you.
Of course, you're welcome. Thank
I'm
you.
definitely going to use it for my practicum.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. So I'm glad you asked that question, Mia, because I was going to share that about um, the recommended resources. And I really encourage you. Oh, this is my old copy. I didn't update in the Dropbox. Our next monthly check-in is in November, and we're going to have Maggie, who's one of the trainers in the 96-hour training. She's going to be talking about creating a multicultural classroom. And I think that will be a really nice topic.